morning everyone. Today's our topic is puberty. Puberty means it is the period of changing body appearance from child's body to adult body. Once the child is becoming an adult, there will be changes occurring in the body. That period is known as puberty. Mainly the changes you can observe in the girls, that is releasing of egg, and for boys they will start to make sperm cells inside the body. That is called as, and we'll see what are the changes will occur for the girls during the time of puberty. The first one is taller and heavier. They will put on weight and also they will become taller. And another is hips. Their hips will become wider and curvy. The shape of the face will change. Next, their skin will become oily, hair will become oily, and there is a chance for getting pimples on the face. And another is their voice will become little bit deeper, and the hair growth will occur at the armpits and genitals. Okay, that means under the arms and the genital area the hair growth will occur. And another is the hair is present in the arms and legs will become darker. The hairs of the arms and legs will become more darker, and the breast and nipple will become larger, and the body will start to sweat more. And another is internal and external sex organs developments will occur. Mood swings, there may changes for the mood time to time. And another is sexual thoughts and feelings. They will feel for the sexual thoughts and feelings. Next we can see what are the changes will occur for the boys during puberty. Same, first is taller and heavier, they will put on weight and they will become more taller. And another is nose and jaw gets bigger. Their faces will get changes. I mean that nose and jaw will get bigger. And another is face will become longer and the muscle growth will be there in the body. And oily skin, hair and pimples. It starts development of the pimples and oily skin will be there and hair growth occurs. And another is body starts more sweating. Another is the hair growth, or more hair growth will occur in the arms, legs and chest. And the voice will become more deeper, and the penis and testicles growth will be start, and the scrotum changes will be occur. And next is mood swings, that their mood will be changing time to time. And another is sexual thoughts and feelings will occur during the time of puberty. Why these changes occurs for the girls and boys during the time of puberty? It is due to the presence or the influence of hormones. The main sex hormones in the female and male, that is testosterone and estrogen. What is that? Testosterone and estrogen. For the male, the testosterone is the hormone which is producing more amount and the less amount of estrogen. And for the female, estrogen is the main hormone which is producing more and little amount of testosterone. So this is the hormone which is responsible for changes in your body. And after the puberty, what will happen in the male? Spermatogenesis occurs. So what is this spermatogenesis? It is the production of sperms and the development of matured sperm. That process is known as spermatogenesis. So due to the influence of the hormones, the testicles will grow and the production of sperms occurs. It is approximately about 2 lakhs to 4 lakhs sperm cells produced per day after the puberty. Next is erection and ejaculation. So what is this erection? Once the semen is get ready to reach to the penis will become erect. That is known as erect. And another is, once this penis get erect, what will happen? The blood rushes to the penis and the muscle pushes the sperm to urethra and out of the body. That process is known as ejaculation. So erect and ejaculation occurs in the male after the puberty. After the puberty, for the females, the menstruation process occurs. As we know, the girls born with the thousands of eggs. The eggs in the female, which is known as ova. For one egg, we will call it as ovum. Okay. And at a time, only one egg get matured and get ready for the fertilization. That means the egg will get matured and ripen and it will wait for the sperm. At the same time, what will happen? The uterus lining, the wall of the uterus will become thick, and that wall which will be containing number of tiny blood vessels. So what will happen if the sperm comes to attach with the egg, the fertilization occurs. If the fertilization does not occur, what will happen? This egg will be released from the ovary, and at the same time the thick lining of the uterus will also fed. Okay, so that is process is called as period. If the fertilization does not occur, what will happen? The ovum and the walls of the uterus, which has made a thick for the fertilization, that also shed from the uterus with little bit blood. That process is called as menstruation.